Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to REALME P1. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both to set it up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose wherever you want to and hit your device's displays. Then select Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of REALME. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it? In here's some deep pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and hit Receive button. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and then point it at the code. Close and add. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!